Welcome! You asked for a real-time project. Today, we're building a scalable, self-healing Kubernetes application from scratch. In this 2026 tutorial, we'll move beyond theory and build a production-ready application, step by step. Our goal is a real-time, observable application that handles traffic gracefully and stays alive under pressure. We'll show you exactly what we're building: a live dashboard monitoring CPU, memory, and automatic pod scaling. Let's break down the project architecture to understand how these pieces fit together in a cluster. Our stack includes a React frontend, Node.js backend, Redis for caching, and PostgreSQL for our persistent data. You'll see how these microservices communicate using Kubernetes services and ingress to route traffic efficiently. First, we need to containerize. Let's head to the terminal to clone our repository and inspect the Docker files. We'll walk through multi-stage builds to ensure our images remain lean, efficient, and production-ready. Now we'll build our images locally and tag them, getting them ready for our Minikube registry. Time to define the heart of the project, the YAML manifests that describe our desired cluster state. We'll configure deployments, services, and ingress, explaining exactly why each field is critical for your setup. We'll also secure our app using ConfigMaps for environment variables and secrets to handle our database passwords safely. With manifests ready, it's time to deploy. We'll apply our configurations and verify the cluster status. Using "apply," we'll watch as Kubernetes orchestrates our containers into a living application. We'll verify connectivity, insert test data, and ensure the frontend, backend, and database are talking perfectly. Now for the fun part: showing off Kubernetes' power to scale and recover automatically. We'll enable the horizontal Pod Autoscaler so the system reacts automatically when CPU usage spikes. We'll simulate a traffic load and watch in real time as our pods scale up to handle the pressure. We'll even trigger a failure and witness our Liveness probes trigger an immediate, automated recovery. To wrap up our observability, we'll install Prometheus and Grafana via Helm to visualize our live project performance. After exploring our dashboard, we'll clean up our environment by removing the resources we created. We've built, deployed, scaled, and monitored an entire stack, a solid foundation for any production Kubernetes project. Looking ahead, you can take this further with CI/CD pipelines, persistent volumes for data, and production-grade TLS security. Thanks for building with me. Drop a comment on what you want to see next, maybe service meshes or canary deployments.